Welcome students. In today's class, we shall learn use of determinant in coordinate geometry. Actually, we shall use determinant to find out area of triangle when coordinates of its vertices are given. Let us consider a triangle ABC with the coordinates of A as x1, y1, B x2, y2 and coordinate of C as x3, y3. We have all learned in previous classes area of triangle ABC is x1 multiplied by y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This expression resembles with half of the determinant of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, 1 1 1. If we expand it, let expand it by column 1, x1, then plus sign on x1, y2 1, y3 1, minus x2, y1 1, y3 1, and lastly x3, y1 1, y2 1. x1 y2 minus y3 minus x2 y1 minus y3 plus x3 y1 minus y2. If you take negative sign common, then you shall have the same formula you have learned in previous classes. So main thing is that area of triangle ABC is absolute value of half of the determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Absolute value means if negative sign is obtained, then we have to neglect that negative sign because area never becomes negative. We discuss when we have negative sign. Let us plot these 3 points on graph. Now if we write x1 y1 in first row, x2 y2 in second row and x3 y3 in third row, then we are rotating in anti-clockwise direction. The result is positive. Result will be positive. And if we write the coordinate of B or coordinate of C after A, that is x1 y1, x3 y3, x1 x2 y2, it still gives the area of triangle ABC, but the result this time will be negative because we have revolved clockwise direction. So you need not worry about that in which direction are you rotating. Generally we write the coordinate of the first point given in first row and coordinate of the second point in the second row, and accordingly we can proceed. If negative sign is obtained, we neglect it and we get area of triangle. Let us try to find out area of a triangle whose vertices are 4 2, 4 5 and minus 2 2. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half of 4 2 1, 4 5 1 minus 2 2 1. Expand by R1 half, write first element of R1 and then write remaining elements after deleting first row and first column, then minus 2, 4 1 minus 2 1 plus 1, delete first row and third column, 4, 5, minus 2, 2 are the leftover elements. Now 4 multiplied by 5 minus 2, 4 plus 2, 8 plus 10, half. 3 4 ja 12, minus 12 plus 18, 9 square units. We take one more question. Find the value of k if area of triangle with the vertices k4, 2 minus 6 and 5 4 is 35. We find area of triangle, we can name it as ABC also. Half of k4 1, 2 minus 6 1, 5 4 1. Expand by R1, half k written, delete first row and first column, minus 6 1 4 1, minus 4, delete first row second column, 2 1 5 1 and plus 1, 2 minus 6 5 4, half k minus 6 minus 4, minus 4, 2 minus 5 plus 1, 8 plus 30, half minus 10k plus 12 plus 38. It comes out to be minus 10k plus 50. And you can take 2 common, minus 5k plus 25. Actually its absolute value is area of triangle. Now its area is given as 35. So we shall put minus 5k plus 25 is equal to 35, and also minus 5k plus 25 is equal to minus 35. It will give us two values of k, 35 minus 25, 10, k is equal to minus 2. Minus 5k is equal to minus 60, k is equal to 12. So your answers are minus 2 or 12. One more thing, if area of a triangle ABC is 0, it means points are collinear, because triangle is not formed at all, and vice versa also. That is, if area of triangle ABC is 0, points are collinear, and if points are collinear, we can conclude the area of triangle is 0.